So in this video, we are going to have a demo for Crest 02, which is the second budget lock of the Crest series in Ebco Smart Digital Lock. So if we see for the features in this lock, we have the mobile application, which is Ebco Smart Plus, followed by fingerprint sensor. You have the numeric pin. You have a RFID card. The door thickness for this is again 35 mm to 55 mm. You have a tri-bolt system in this. If you see over here, you get a tri-bolt in this locking system. You have USB Type C and an emergency power opening over here. So in most of the lock, it is if you see it is in the bottom, but in this lock you have an emergency power cable over here, power C type port, not the cable. The port is over here, and also the key slot is over here in the front. This is powered by 4 AA cells, followed by a mechanical key and a doorbell. So here you have a doorbell. At the back, coming to the back of the lock, you have 4 AA batteries over here. So this is powered by 4 AA battery, followed by a reset button over here. So when you press this reset button for 5 seconds, it will be automatically going into the factory reset condition. So this is a handle at the back. Over here you get a privacy mode button. In privacy mode, when the privacy mode is on or it is in lock condition, only the admins can come inside. When it is in unlock condition, the admins as well as users both can come inside. So this lock also comes with a deadbolt over here. So this is a deadbolt. Also we called it as a night latch. So a night latch can only be operated from inside. It cannot be opened from outside, whether it is an administrator or a normal user. It can only be operated from inside. So it is an additional security which is provided in this lock. So coming to the features of this lock, we'll add the users and administrators in this lock now. So you have to start with star and hash. So you have to add an administrator settings, 2 user settings, 3 system settings, 4 networking settings, 5 remote control. So first is your configuration. So first is adding your administrators configuration. So you have to add an administrator. So I'll add an administrator password. Please enter the new password again. Password configuration successful. The current assigned serial number is 1. So my password has been set, which is 123456. We'll just try. So this lock is operating with the password which you have set. So now we'll do some other settings. Please enter the administrator key. 1 administrator settings. 1 is administrator. 2 is user. 3 system settings. 4 is networking. 5 remote control. Okay. So first we have added an administrator. Now we'll add an user. 1 configuration operations. 2 delete operations. So 1 is adding an administrator, adding an user, and 2 is deleting an user. I will add an user. Serial number is 1 0. So we'll add a fingerprint. User fingerprint we are adding right now. Please enter your fingerprint again. 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 Fingerprint configuration successful. The current assigned serial number is 1 1 1. So now my thumb is the user over here now. So we'll just check. Hello, please come in. So my thumb is working as a user. We'll just add an additional security. We'll check. So my other finger is not working. Let's check with the thumb. Hello, please come in. So it is working. So now what we'll do is we'll see what is there in the system settings. Please enter the administrator key. 1 administrator settings. 1 is administrator, 2 is user, 3 is system. 3 system settings. 1 time setting. 2 volume control. 3 normally open mode. 4 do verification mode. 5 anti-price setting. 6 unlock record query. Please press the 0 key to repeat the broadcast. 1 administrator settings. 2 user settings. 3 system So we'll go into networking settings now. So 1 is start, 2 is close. So we'll start. So for that, by the time it starts configuration, we'll start our Ebco Smart Plus application. So this is our Ebco Smart Plus application is opened over here, and 5 number numeric digit will be blinking. So just press on add device plus button, and once it is done, you will see CR02 Crest 02, which can be seen on the mobile screen. So once you see this, you just have to press Crest 02. After pressing on Crest 02, you will have an information, and you have to put your Wi-Fi information, that is your Wi-Fi name as well as the Wi-Fi password. You have to make sure the Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz and not 5 gigahertz or any other frequency, and WPA it should be 2. So we are adding this lock, and once it is added, it will say the lock has lock has been added successfully.
Connected successfully.
So it has been connected successfully. We are just quitting this, and you can see we'll just start with the interface, how it looks. So you have a low battery indication in this lock, as well as you have a history of unlocking this. Member management is there, as well as temporary password is there. So just let us ring the doorbell and see what happens. So you'll see you get a remote unlocking option over here, which is valid for 60 seconds. So when I press on agree option, so this has just authorized this, and I can open the lock. We'll just see this again. We'll press the doorbell. So this again has come. You have option to refuse, or you have option to agree. So I'll press on agree. So this has just opened. I can remotely unlock this. Okay, you have a history of unlocking operations. So you have this remote unlocking, and you have, if you use any of the user uses and fingerprint to unlock, it will also give an update over there. You have member management, where you can add your members over here. You can add your home members, which are your family members, as well as the other members in this. Followed by a temporary password. In this, you have a one-time password, where you can add and generate a one-time password. So you have generated this one-time password, say made. So this is a one-time password which is valid. Again, you have an unlimited time use password. So unlimited time password is again the temporary use password, which is effective from you. Application will ask you the effective time, which is valid from today 4 p.m., which can be used up to maybe 7th. So July 7th. So this will be valid for that much of period. So it can be your 5 hours, it can be 6 hours, it can be 24 hours, it can be 48 hours, or even years. So it depends upon the user what they want to keep. So this is all about Ebco Smart Plus Crest 02.